front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. Scroll to tap on Apps. Scroll again to choose Default Apps. And tap on Home app to click on Launcher Pro. Then hit Allow All in the pop-up and wait. Swipe up. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions within this app. If you wish to go back to the standard launcher, you need to access the same settings and choose your system one by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!